Oh, you did you
Back again with another channel. Welcome to Emoless.
Yes, sir.
Today we are here at Hellenic Sports Club. We're gonna be paintballing. We've got the boy referral mats.
Vibes.
You know the vibes. We've got Mr. LK Zano, the one and only in the building.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. And today we wanna see who the real boss is.
Cheaper Call of Duty. Nanzi. Bravo 6 going down.
What did you?
Bravo 6 going down.
Bravo 6 going dark.
But guys, about it was what Team Darren now.
Obvious. Mira. Inzwa. That's watching one also. Yapana. It doesn't mean kundikana case that you gonna PlayStation ka. I'm not gonna real life.
Alive.
Inina also katri tukuna chi. Takanda kono pai. Pass pemvu.
Underwater man. Still Team 6.
But then water alive hapa guys. Water alive.
Na ndwazi.
Inokwanisa kugona pa PlayStation. But we don't know.
But umoyonere. They need to know.
Brandon.
Hakuna nakadai so.
Pink. But how are you guys gonna vlog? Because we need gun.
Don't balance this.
I don't worry. What's the camera? iPhone X. Going back to iPhone 5.
iPhone 5 nigga memory.
iPhone 5 you go to 16 gig footage. Picture memory full.
Wala vira TV za.
Back to iPhone 7 Plus 256 gig.
Vira de moyo sawa.
It doesn't go on time guys. No just later.
But guys, this is not fair. In zone 6 against 1. Is it fair?
I got a 6 against 1.
Brandon and the ladies, just as the three of us. 3 of us.
I'll tell you against Brandon because those are not that.
Easy guys.
Why not Jera on? Also not for one.
There's nothing personal.
What do you think? It's not fair, right?
I'll give you
Thank you, boss. Welcome. Thank you.
Stay safe.
Stay safe. Your
first Gigi.
Eh? Umnando first umtshali mpama.
Yazi umnando first umtshali eziso.
That's my question.
Porque se numa grade, né? Tu dá chute.
Se numa grade aqui.
Okay, Zano versus Emoless. Rock paper scissors to get the first pick.
Okay. Ayo, mas vamos lá, matiba tu. Ina that team Emoless, Saturday so.
Mira. Ayo,
Ayo, gamu team good. Ayo, what do you mean?
But life, kuti zite fair.
Inzwa. Listen. Right. Gamu
Arukuno. Melissa, you go to that. Gamu na Melissa.
No, sorry, fair man.
Gamu na Nikonde.
Yeah, Melissa Arukuno. Melissa Ashbudi. Askuda. Sakutoku sabukanguru akaru.
Chichesha.
Ah, naramba ni my team.
Toku samoto.
Is around this. It's not fair.
Yeah. Ziti. Gamu na niko muru side kuno. Melissa side. Ziti fair.
Oh, it's fair.
It's fair.
It's fair, right?
Yeah. Gamu, it's fair. Gonna karamba kanyara.
Gama nunga agreea zvaita ka Mr. Zvaona baba ndizo.
Akasitaura last time
Akasitaura
baba ndizo. Nhasi hakuna izvo.
Hakuna izvo zvani? Ama teams kiza aramba shamwa. Aramba ni munhu shamwa. And it's
Okay, Zano, come on.
We don't know.
Gamu. Okay, I was chinda kunikoa.
I'm telling you, it would be good to have the couple from opposite sides.
That's what I was telling you.
Because you want to shoot your own woman. If somebody shoots your woman for you, you get mad.
So Gamu come this side.
yes.
Like
Guys.
Right.
I'm sorry.
Hands up.
Hey, Nico, are you ready?
Are you ready? Consider yourself lucky.
I'm sorry.
If I was the one shooting you, it was not gonna be.
Guys, usazobireka zvako zve.
Hakuna machini for this time.
Hakuna.
Okay.
So that one is for the tallest.
Tallest.
These are small.
Okay.
Wait, just put it one side. Pose for the camera.
Yeah. It's nothing personal, baby.
Yeah.
It's nothing personal.
Hey.
It's nothing personal. Yo, Mato Garwe.
Bravo 6, I say good.
Bravo 6, okay. Okay, team Bravo 6.
Oh.
Drip.
Okay.
They need to know.
They need to know.
Dream, bro. Pip the drip. Dream, bro. I said pip the drip.
For the picture. Hey. Alright.
I see you are going to struggle with your COVID mask and your paintball mask on.
Oh.
Better to lose the COVID mask, and if I can also help with the item,
Please do.
with your helmet, because I don't think it's sitting properly. Let's save it up, then put it on.
Can I remove my mask?
Just
It's
let
the
it
wrong mask.
hang loose.
I don't go doing that.
Put it under your chin.
Mm.
It's fun, but the unfortunate part is when we play with a gun, the risk of injury is quite real. So I've seen somebody get shot in the eye and that eye going blind permanently. So that's how bad it can get. We do not do games, however, to that extreme, but we have to be extra careful. Do not put your gun up. Do not fidget with the gun. Do not point that gun in anybody's face until it's time for you guys to shoot each other. So we are going to keep them switched off and pointing to the ground. Is that clear? Yeah. Alright, so number 2, I don't mind if you can have the top part of your mask up, like how I'm putting my mask on, to the groin. I know, gentlemen, you are culprits for head shots, and ladies are mostly culprits for groin shots. Let's try as much as possible to aim for the chest. As much as we hate each other, let's just have fun and then we can signal our scores outside the paintball field. Let's not shoot each other from too close. Minimum shooting distance must be about 7 meters, which is the distance across barriers. So basically a person by the tire would fire across to that bush, from that bush across to the next drum. If we are this close, it's going to be bloody painful if you target someone from too close.
Come on, team Pro. Alright. So this is the plan. We outnumbered them 4-3. So we spread out.
Okay.
Let's see the tire, this one over here. Gamo, you can do the right. Nicole will do the left. Then me and Twende
In the middle.
will do the middle.
Okay.
Who wants to go for the flag?
I think you guys should go for the flag.
Okay.
Can't find, so.
Okay, fine. I'll run.
We're not trying to sacrifice you.
Get back at. So 20. It's like 20 years old to cover down the middle. I'm gunning. Speed. Okay. Because I know Rufaro is going to be the one going for the flag that side.
Okay, that's right.
I know for a fact Rufaro is going for the flag.
Okay.
So yeah,
So the point is bringing the flag back home.
that's the flag.
I don't see it.
You see on those tires there.
Uh-huh.
That's the flag. Where Melissa is just in front of there.
Okay.
That's where the flag is.
Okay. The grey one.
Yeah, that Kajira right there. Okay.
Alright, so I'm going for the left, you're going for the right.
Yeah.
The main point is bring the flag
The
back
flag
home.
back. So you see points.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
So you move these tires to that barrier there, and then you just cover. Then you can move here, and just keep like middle. 20 in the middle there.
Okay.
Come, let's draw. 1, 2, 3. Emotionless. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Emotionless.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Guns ready. Let's go. Blue team. That's 1 point to 0. You guys have to be fast. It's going to start. Keep your side. Yes! 2 points for brown. Still 0 for blue. Pull the cock back to reload. Right up above your thumb. Yes, don't keep the gun close to your body. Yes, sir. Blue team, go to start. Advantage, go for the flag. Ask for cover when you go forward. Advantage, steal with the Browns. That's a hit, go back. Much better. Let's all go to center.
Come on.
What you say?
Come on.
What you say?
Let's switch our guns off. Let's have them point to the ground. Let's come to the middle. Woo!
You know the vibes. 2-1.
You play like a man.
Come on.
The first one, I was shocked. Yeah. I was like, how you guys feel? I was like,
I guess I slapped you. I slapped kids.
This side, then? Yeah.
So I can't believe there's more numbers on the blue team. And then these guys are getting run over. And I think the main reason is that the 3 players are camping.
What?
They are camping. The 2 players permanently, and the other one seasonally. He comes in and out occasionally.
Okay.
So you are doing a good job. You are playing. He comes out sometimes. All right, guys. Mask on. Guns on and be ready. Let's better wait there and tell everybody else to come and cover. You need to have support before you go.
Support me, cover.
That's a point. Nice one. Is your gun back on? Guns on. Let's go. Make sure you have cover right in the center there before you move. Flag is on the ground. Advantage is for the blue team. Drop it. Flag on the ground. Advantage blue team. It's game on. Cover Browns. Point for blue team.
Someone caught me in the ass.
That's the first point for the blue team.
So it's what, 3-2?
3-2. Is it 3-2 or a 3-1?
3-2.
3-2. All right, he's going back. Girls, you have to go forward and support. You have to move forward, ladies. Girls, you have to cover. You're one man down. Girls, you have to cover. The guys are out. Let's come to center.
This guy's trying to kill me. Yes, sir.
So that would have been a round for the blue team if it wasn't for the guns. So 2 guns went out, and we had 2 guns that were inactive. So this is how unfit Zimbabweans are. 2, 1.
Go!
No shooting from the base. Get out of base. Pull the cock back.
It's not working.
Pull the one above your thumb. The one right above that pin. Yes. Pull it back. All right, you're back on. That was a good shot, but there's 2 of them there. You have to tag! Go behind you! Run and tag! Use less bullets, move around more. Well done, Brown. Isolate him. Good job, blue team. Stay on them. Stay on them. Stay on them. You've got to move and cover. Make sure nobody charges the guy. You have advantage, blue team. 4 on 2. I like that. 1 more to go.
Out!
Well done.
Sounds ruthless.
Guys, on. Guys, on.
Push up! Push up, push up!
One person must move to their own barrier. You're exposing yourselves there. You gotta tag him. Tag on your left. Go tag on your left.
What? Everyone!
Go tag on your left.
Come, Gamu! What?
Run and tag.
One corner, shoot them.
Nice one.
Go, 20, push. One more, push. One more, Melissa, come, push. Go around.
Come and tag on your left.
Go. Go. 20, what? Get through. Hey, you got to say. Hey, Melissa. Yes.
Ah, Dripa Duze was too late. They were coming for you. Woo. Did you notice there was nothing in your gun anymore?
Yeah, I know.
So you couldn't defend yourself.
Go around. Hey, I was going this way. I was out of bullets on.
Did I catch you?
I was shooting in.
Huh? I think I got you. Who's still in?
How do you still have bullets?
Exactly.
Make sure.
Yeah.
Don't forget to follow me on Pharomats.
Andres.
For other videos, click G. Panam.
Yeah, left here, even right.
Left, right.
Hey.
Panam, sang panam.
Hey.
Sang panam.